Hello again. Okay, so now that my polish is off, I want to prep my nails. And so to do that, one of the first things I want to do before I apply my Color Street is push back all of my cuticles. Okay, so Color Street is 100% real fingernail polish. And if you've ever gotten fingernail polish on your skin before, you know it comes off pretty easy, especially with soap and hot water. Color Street's the same thing. Since it's 100% real nail polish, it's going to come off that skin, and we don't want it to lift and curl. So you want to make sure that you get all the cuticle pushed back around your nail bed, and you're just going to apply that strip kind of up next to it. Now, you can do this a few ways. You can use your thumbnail if they're long enough. This is what I prefer because I can kind of feel my way around. I like to do it this way. You can use an orange stick or a cuticle pusher. These are pretty inexpensive. If you don't have one, let me know. And you can go around and you can use these as well. Another thing that I like is this Sally Hansen's Instant Cuticle Remover. Hopefully you guys can see this okay. So this stuff is really easy to use. Basically, you just open it up and you just apply it to your cuticle line, right, on your hand, and you just let this set for 10 or 15 seconds. And that's gonna loosen up those cuticles and it's gonna make them soft. So I just put that on. We just wait for a few seconds. And then again, you can go right back to using thumbnail, an orange stick, a cuticle pusher, but that's gonna lift up even, I don't know if you can see it because I'm pretty good about taking care of my cuticles, but even those little dry skin, like on the side of your nails and on the back of your nails, that's cuticle too. It's like dead cuticle skin. So we wanna make sure that we get that off as well. So this Sally Hansen's, especially if you have dry, brittle, or your nails, maybe your cuticles are cracking. These are just my preferences. It's not something that is recommended by Color Street. These are just things that I've learned in my journey and I wanted to share. This is my favorite stuff. Once I get my cuticles pushed back, I'll just go wash my hands, dry them real well, and we'll be ready for the next step.